Have you ever seen a key icon with an exclamation point pop up on your dashboard of your Honda? Well, that's the smart entry system warning light, and while it looks alarming, it usually means something simple. Let me explain in this video what it means and also how you can fix it. So, as I said, it's the smart entry start system. This feature lets you unlock the doors and start the engine without ever taking the key fob out of your pocket or bag. When this icon light comes up, your car is just saying that it cannot fully detect the key fob, or that there's a problem with the system that allows it to work. So here are the most common reasons why it's coming up and how you can fix it. Reason one is that the key fob battery is weak or dying. This is the most common cause, and if your fob is more than a couple years old, the coin cell battery inside of it might need to be replaced. It only takes a few dollars and a few minutes to swap it out, so that's the first thing you can do to try to fix this. Now, reason two is interference or obstruction. Sometimes other electronics like your phone or another key fob or even the material of your clothes can block the signal. Try moving the fob to a different pocket or away from other devices. Reason three is that the key fob is too far from the car. If you're trying to start the car and the key fob is outside the vehicle, maybe you're in a garage and your key fob is upstairs, well, it may not detect it, and this is why you get this light. Reason four, well, this could be a simple glitch in the system. Every now and then it could be a software hiccup. Turning the car off, stepping out of the car, locking the car, and then starting fresh, re-entering the car and doing everything can clear the warning. Finally, for reason five, while I searched around online, I found out that some Honda owners, especially HR-V drivers, had a really frustrating time figuring this out. One person mentioned that even after replacing the control access box, the key fobs, the batteries, and even the car battery itself, the warning light kept coming back. What finally solved it for them was replacing the engine start-stop button. I also found out that the person didn't replace this button but simply cleaned the contacts. Now, I'm not a specialist, but you can Google around to see how it's done. It's worth trying out since especially it's free to simply clean out that button, and maybe you're in luck and you don't need to replace any parts. If you have any other solutions on how to fix this issue, please type a comment down below. If one of these solutions fixed it, I want to know as well. So leave a comment, subscribe, like, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a beautiful day.